Welcome to this video on the rise of Forex prop trading firms using automated trading systems. In the world of finance, the Forex market has been a lucrative investment option for many individuals and institutions. However, the competition is tough, and it can be challenging to generate profits consistently. To address this challenge, many Forex prop trading firms are now leveraging technology to stay ahead of the game. In this video, we'll explore how automated trading systems are transforming the Forex prop trading industry. Section 1. Forex Prop Trading Firms. Forex prop trading firms are companies that allow traders to trade the financial markets using the firm's capital. These firms provide traders with access to their trading platforms, which are connected to the global Forex market. Traders can use their skills and knowledge to generate profits, and the firm takes a cut of the profits as compensation. Forex prop trading firms have become increasingly popular over the years due to their ability to provide traders with the necessary tools and resources to trade successfully. Section 2. Automated trading systems. Automated trading systems are computer programs that use algorithms to execute trades automatically. These systems are designed to identify trading opportunities and execute trades based on predetermined rules. Automated trading systems have been around for many years, but they have become more popular in recent times due to advancements in technology. The use of automated trading systems has revolutionized the way trades are executed in the Forex market. Section 3. The benefits of using automated trading systems. Automated trading systems offer several benefits to Forex prop trading firms. Firstly, they provide speed and accuracy, allowing trades to be executed at lightning-fast speeds and with incredible accuracy. This speed and accuracy enable firms to take advantage of even the slightest market movements, resulting in increased profitability. Secondly, automated trading systems remove emotions from the trading process. As human emotions are known to cloud judgment, automated trading systems provide an objective approach to trading. This objective approach enables firms to make informed decisions based on data, rather than emotions. Section 4. Industry transformation. The use of automated trading systems has transformed the Forex prop trading industry. Firms that use these systems have a competitive edge over those that don't, as they can execute trades faster and more accurately. This increased profitability has led to a significant increase in the number of firms using automated trading systems. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more firms adopting it to stay ahead of the competition. In conclusion, the use of automated trading systems has transformed the Forex prop trading industry, providing traders with a competitive edge in the market. The benefits of using these systems are clear, and we can expect to see more firms adopting them in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.